Hey, today I'm going to show you how to use messages to communicate with students and families in SpacesEDU. From the Messages tab, you will see the option to send messages via a channel or a direct message. Channels are pre-created groups that allow you to send messages to all your students and families, just family, or just the students tied to your class. Simply select the channel, type your message, and decide whether you will include photos, videos, audio recordings, files, or links in your update. Clicking plus message allows you to send a direct message to one or more students and families at a time. Simply select the student or family from the list and click Send Message in the top right-hand corner. Within a channel or direct message, educators have the option to use one-way or two-way communications. By default, all messages will be sent in a read-only format. Simply click the toggle switch from the conversation window to enable two-way messaging. Want to confirm your message has been seen? Simply click any direct or channel message to open the dialog screen. Then click the word Read beside the timestamp on any message. From the Read tab, you will then see who has read this message and the date and time it was read. From the Unread tab, you can see a list of stakeholders who have yet to read this message, providing additional information into stakeholder engagement. This has been our introduction to messages. Now it's time for you to get started.